Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Uptime Kuma monitoring after storage loss, beginner guide step by step clearly. To restore Uptime Kuma monitoring after storage loss, you will need to follow these steps. Begin by shutting down the Uptime Kuma service. This can typically be done by stopping the Docker container or the service that runs Uptime Kuma. Next, check if you have a backup of the Uptime Kuma data. If you have a backup, locate the backup files on your system. If you do not have a backup, you will need to set up Uptime Kuma from scratch. Once you have your backup, create a directory for the Uptime Kuma data if it does not already exist. Copy the backup files to the appropriate data directory. If you are using Docker, ensure the correct volume is mapped to this directory. Now, restart the Uptime Kuma service. This can be achieved by starting the Docker container or the service again. Wait a moment for everything to initialize. Once the service is back up, check the Uptime Kuma web interface. Log in with your credentials to verify that your monitoring settings have been restored. If everything looks good, you are now back to monitoring your services. In case you still experience issues, look into the Uptime Kuma logs for any error messages. These logs can provide insight into what might still be wrong. If necessary, repeat the restoration steps or consult the Uptime Kuma community for further assistance. This concludes the restoration process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.